Okay. All right here we got a old kitchen hood. We're gonna replace it today. This one is pretty rough. We bought it with the house, and now it's time for this baby to get out. That's what it looks like. Yeah. And then here is the new one. What the new one will look like. Stainless steel. Alright, first we're gonna take down that one, and then we're gonna get into this. So here we go. All right, remove the old one, and this one has been in here for years, so it's been very gunky, but I've sprayed it down. My purple power. Now it's looking much better. This is the old one, and this is what it looks like, and that's how dirty it gets. You gotta change them every now and then, or take them out and clean them up. Alright. I'm gonna prep this for the next one and then get ready and show you what it is to install. So, okay. I broke the new one apart. Take everything out. Them scattered all over the floor with my screwdriver. And got the old one over there. Now, first you have these brackets. They tell you where they go. They'll tell you left side, right side. All you're gonna do, you're gonna come up in here, mount the brackets. Brackets like that, and vice versa on the other side. All right, let's get that going and I'll show you. Okay, we line this up, and here both of them on the same side, and the next side on this side the same. Just line them up, make it the same. Then zap it just like that. Just like that. And if you hear the TV in the background, that's my wife and the kid back there. So, that's what they look like. Right there. It's one side. And that's the other side. Now these right here, these brackets, this spot, that spot slides into it. So alright, I need both hands for this spot. So it up in here. Let's see. Okay, this is it. It's in a bad angle to get a good video shot, but if you can see what I'm doing, or after you put up the brackets, you're gonna get a screw right up in here. Get some light in it. Right up in here. That screw, and then there's one in the back. Same thing on both sides, back and front. And then, because I'm an electrician, I know how to hook up this, but anybody could hook this up. It's too simple. Wires, one black, one white. All you gotta do is match your wires and connect to your ground, and that's it. Okay, I'll give you more as soon as I get finished putting this part back together. Alright, so for the electrical part of it, like I said, one black one, one white one, and a ground.
Daddy, what happened to the power?
We turned the power off, and remember to turn your power off before you do this. Everything else is pre-wired. If you can see, it's already pre-wired for the fan and the LED lights. So now you just gotta connect to that ground screw over there, and that will complete your electrical stuff. It's pretty simple. Then there's a panel that goes back onto here. All right, let's get that done and then show you the finished product. All right, this is what it looks like when it's working, and it's very silent. So when you're steaming out your food, you won't be hearing all that noise. LED lights are perfect. Full speed ahead. It's not too bad. Then I'll install the grills and I'll let you see what it looks like with the grills installed. Do it yourself. Setting, this is what's turning on. Alright, now it's time to get the grill. Here's the grill. I'll put them in. Like that. Just like that. There you have it. From the outside, nice and shine. It should match the new stove that's gonna be put in here. But there you have it. Easy to do yourself. And the space inside. Don't interfere with the closing. The lights are bright for when you're cooking. Alright. And this brand is called NuTone. N-U-T-O-N-E, NuTone. So you can find it at Home Depot and do it yourself if you want a quick upgrade. All right.